Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick tutorial on your Thursday math. It's representing numbers practice. For Wednesday, you guys are going to have some MobyMax practice on the 3 ways to represent a number. Remember, the 3 ways are standard form. That's just the number. It's the bare number. So if you have like 96, 96 in standard form would be the 9 and the 6. Okay, now the second way is expanded form. You're just expanding those numbers and their place values. And the third way is word form. That's when you write it like you say it. So this is what your representing numbers practice Google Slides will look like. It says, let's practice. Let's practice representing numbers in different forms: standard form, expanded form, and word form. So the first one is an example. I have 74,789. So the first thing that I did was put it in expanded form. Remember, expanded form, it has those plus signs, plus it's the value of each number. So the value of this 7 is 70,000. Okay, expanded form is the value of each number in that place value. Word form, you write it like you say it. So what I would do is pause, say this to myself, and remember, without and. We don't use and unless we're doing decimals, and we're not doing that. So I would say the number first, and then I would write it in word form. So this number is 74,789, and that's exactly how I would write it. So you have 5 more that you have to do. So it says, now you try. Here's your number. So I gave you this number, 8,945. So what you're going to do is you're going to just click right here, and you should be able to put this number in expanded form. Now, if you want to go to the next line, all you have to do is press enter. If you want to use the plus sign, what you would need to do is on a Chromebook, on my Chromebook that I'm on right now, it's right beside the backspace. But in order to do a plus sign, you have to push shift and then the plus sign. Okay. Now, remember, you're going to write it in expanded form. And then when you're ready for word form, you're just going to click over here and type it in word form. I'm not looking for spelling. I'm looking to see if you can write this number in word form. And I always tell my students when they write numbers in word form, I am not going to count off for spelling. Now, I don't want an and in there. And I want you guys to make sure that you put the comma. So like if you're going to write out 8,000, you'll write 8,000, comma. So I'm going to refer back to my example, 74,000, comma. So you still have a comma just like your original number. So you have, this is your first one and your second one. So this is an expanded form. You need to write the answer in standard form and in word form. And you should be able to edit this. Everybody has their own copy. This one is written in word form. I want you to do standard form and expanded form. This one is just standard form. You're going to write it in expanded form and word form. And then your last one that you have on slide 7 is an expanded form. I want you to do standard form and word form. Like always, if you have any questions, please reach out to me and I will be happy to help. I love you guys. Happy learning.